was so tender, life was complete. Free in my jungle, pride at my feet. There were no troubles, no worries, no cares. Life was a ball, I was but a child till the night I met you. Wish I didn't love so. You brought me no sorrow, but treasures and gains. When hat in hand I came to you, my pleas were not in vain. You shared my bread and my bed, you made me love you more. I want you to be here right now, I need your touch so much. Don't betray me, you know I really, really love you. Is so tender, life with you is sweet. Happy here at home with you, life's joys are complete. We build a better way of life together, that's for sure. Loving you is heaven, love you more than friends since the night I met you on the London Love Train. Real pleasure is no pain. Since that first love train kiss, I've never been the same. I know you care and that you know I also feel the flame. Everyone can see you mean the world to me. With a smile I say, I bless the day I found you. Love is still tender, life is divine. So glad to have you loving me by all the stars that shine. This love train only takes one, where you aim to be. Oh, well met to find the gap, so wonderful with me. I'm so glad I met you and I really love you.